Good day. This is Christopher Joshua Galang, and I'm going to present to you my research proposal. Humans are fragile. Just by walking down the road, we tend to meet accident due to unawareness. Have you ever been into situations wherein you are unaware of what's happening around you? For example, when a police car is chasing a suspect on loose and you don't have any clue about it. Or when there is an emergency and an ambulance is rushing to the hospital to save the patient and you again don't even have the tiniest bit clue about it. You'll only know that there is such a situation when you're already in the place of the chase, or worse, you've gotten into the crime scene itself. Thinking about it, you can even be a hostage if the suspect got a hold of you because of your unawareness that there is a chase going on. I came up with a solution wherein nearby citizens within the place of emergencies can be alerted in advance to avoid accidents or unnecessary situations. This solution can be implemented via my proposed project. EAS, Emergency Alert System. The concept of this project is to alert nearby citizens within the vicinity range of the radio frequency transmitter that shows us an emergency state is occurring, such as pursuit, which can cause accidents, putting citizens that are unaware on the line. We will be using a radio frequency transmitter and receiver in order to transmit signals at desired location. The radio frequency transmitter is located in every police and ambulance mobile. The radio frequency receiver is located beside the traffic light system added by an LED, in which, if there is a pursuit or emergency, it can be easily activated and alert every radio frequency receiver within the range of radio frequency transmitter.
Created using Powtoon.